Hello and welcome to Master Strategies. Today, we're here to discuss a very interesting topic, and that is Ethereum and its use cases. So, starting with, what is Ethereum? Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own related digital currency called Ether, ETH or Ethereum, and its own programming language called Solidity. As a blockchain network, Ethereum is a decentralized public ledger for checking and recording exchanges. The organization's clients can make, distribute, monetize, and use applications on the stage and utilizes Ether cryptographic money as installment. Insiders call the decentralized applications on the organization dApps. Its cryptographic money is currently second just to Bitcoin in market esteem. Ethereum's founders. Ethereum was dispatched in July 2015 by a little gathering of blockchain lovers. They included Joe Lubin, organizer of Consensus, a blockchain applications engineer that utilizes the Ethereum organization. Another fellow benefactor, Vitalik Buterin, is credited with starting the Ethereum idea and presently fills in as its CEO and public face. Buterin is in some cases depicted as the world's most youthful crypto, extremely rich person. He was born in 1994. The Ether digital money was intended to be utilized inside the Ethereum organization. But just like Bitcoin, Ether is presently an acknowledged type of installment by certain dealers and merchants. Overload, Shopify, and Cheap Air are among the online platforms that acknowledge Ether as payment. The Ethereum business. Ethereum's primary rivals for organizations putting resources into a blockchain programming platform, as per Gartner Research, incorporate Bitcoin, Ripple, IBM, IOTA, Microsoft, Blockstream, JP Morgan, and NEO. Independently, Ether is a competitor in the profoundly unpredictable digital money market. As of May 2021, Ethereum was the second biggest digital currency dependent on esteem after Bitcoin. As indicated by Analytics Insight, its market cap was assessed at $500 billion, contrasted with $1.080 trillion for Bitcoin. Ethereum-based projects. Ethereum claims that its foundation can be utilized to arrange, decentralize, secure, and exchange pretty much anything. Various ventures are in progress to test the concept. Microsoft is in association with Consensus to offer Ethereum blockchain as a service, EBAAS, on the Microsoft Azure cloud. It is planned to offer enterprise customers and developers a solitary Snap cloud-based blockchain designer environment. In 2020, Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, and Consensus declared a joint venture to make an organization of service centers based on the Ethereum Foundation. What is ETH trading? Financial backers utilize any of various digital cash exchanging stages to purchase and sell Ether or ETH. The current decisions incorporate Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp, Gemini, Binance, and Bitfinex. Contributing applications like Robinhood and Gemini likewise permit digital money exchanging. As referenced beforehand, crypto costs are literally unstable, and individuals who exchange them are attempting to gain by that instability. The worth of one ETH was moving somewhere in the range of $1,800 and $2,300 in July 2021. It had been above $4,000 in mid-May. It was about $231 per year prior. How does Ethereum make money? Clients pay charges to utilize dApps on the Ethereum stage. These charges are known as gas since they differ depending upon the measure of computational force used. The median charge for gas was above $10 per exchange in mid-2021 as indicated by the Ethereum gas report. Instructions to store Ether. To store Ether, a client requires an Ethereum wallet. A large portion of these wallets are computerized and can be gotten by means of a PC or cell phone. On the off chance that a client loses their private key, they have lost their Ether, and there isn't anything, for example, a help desk or client care to contact to recuperate your private key. There are different kinds of wallets. Number 1. Hardware wallets. These are electronic gadgets, for example, USB sticks that can be utilized to sign and send Ether exchanges without being on the web. They are disconnected from the web, and they give a more elevated level of safety. It isn't difficult to hack, and it is generally reasonable to store a lot of Ether. On the negative side, equipment wallets can get lost actually like some other key. Number 2. Desktop and mobile wallets. Desktop wallets will be wallets that run on a PC or a laptop, while mobile wallets can run on a cell phone. These wallets can either be custodial or non-custodial. Custodial wallets rely upon third parties to keep a client's hidden key safe. This has its dangers as these third parties can be hacked. Non-custodial wallets don't rely upon outsiders to protect their private keys. They are kept secure by the client. Number 3. Paper wallets. This choice includes printing or recording the private key on a piece of paper and protecting it safe. It's the oldest style technique for storage. The solitary thing about this is that you should recollect where it's kept. Number 4. Web wallets. These are the most unsafe technique for capacity, which includes putting away the private keys on the web. A wallet associated with the web is called hot storage, while a wallet that isn't associated with the web is called cold stockpiling. It is prudent to join both the cold and hot stockpiling wallets to get most extreme security. The most effective methods to purchase Ether. There are distinctive approaches to purchase Ether. Number 1. Online exchange platforms. This is generally the simplest technique for purchasing digital currencies. It includes a stage that purchases and sells Ether for an expense. You can purchase Ether from these stages with fiat cash, dollar, euro, pounds, with a bank move, or a debit or Visa. The stages adjust to the Know Your Customer (KYC) laws, which implies a client's character should be affirmed before the client can make exchanges on the platform. An illustration of such a stage is Coinbase. Number 2. Trading platforms. These stages associate dealers and purchasers by means of a delegate, and they can likewise exchange a cryptographic money for another. Peer-to-peer. This strategy includes the purchaser reaching the vendor straightforwardly and arranging costs. There is no middleman engaged with this technique, and there are no charges paid. There are a few urban areas, for example Toronto and New York, that have Ethereum meetups regularly. There are other sites, for example local cryptos, that assist with connecting clients who need to exchange Ether peer-to-peer methods. Use cases of Ethereum. Number 1. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance is a word used to allude to monetary services and items that are accessible and open to anybody that can utilize Ethereum. No authority can deny admittance to anything for a client or block installments, and markets are consistently open with DeFi. Anybody can investigate the codes, and there could be no longer dangers of human errors as the administrations are presently programmed and represented by code. With customary money, a few issues that exist include refusal of a person from utilizing monetary administrations. Monetary services can keep a person from getting compensated. Restriction of trading hours to explicit time zones and getting paid. Central organizations and governments can close down the business sectors freely. In the DeFi framework, the client holds and has complete command over their own cash. Transfer of assets requires only a couple of moments. It is available to anybody, and the market is consistently open. A client can likewise send cash anywhere on the planet, access stable monetary forms, get assets with or without guarantee, exchange tokens, purchase insurance, and much more. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. NFTs are tokens that can be connected to interesting things, and they are not tradable for some other thing. They permit value to be given to craftsmanship, music, and so forth. As far as computerized money, they are gotten on the Ethereum blockchain and can have just a single proprietor at a time. The new NFT can't be reordered into existence, and no two can be something similar. They are viable with whatever is based on the Ethereum stage. NFTs can be sold any place, and the proprietors approach the worldwide market. Number 3. Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, DAOs. DAOs are claimed and administered aggregately by their individuals, and they work dependent on brilliant agreements. They are web-based, and they have inbuilt depositories that can't be accessed without being allowed by the group's consent. They settle on choices by proposals and casting a ballot to guarantee that everybody in the group can air their perspectives. There is no CEO or CFO, and the principles that oversee their spending are essential for the DAO code. The codes and every one of their exercises are straightforward, and they work a popularity-based framework. The votes which are counted naturally are needed before any change can be carried out. Instances of DAOs are charity associations, ventures, specialist organizations, freelancers, etc. Today, a few DAOs, including Moloch DAO and Metacartel, work along these lines to the original DAO, pooling client assets to offer rewards to Ethereum business people. So, that's it for today, folks. Hope you found this video informative. If so, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.